The Mishnah of Rabbi Yehuda Hanasi was accepted by everyone. All of the sages studied it. The Mishnah was finished, so no one was allowed to make any changes to it. The Mishnayot were very compact. Even the sages had to work very hard to understand them completely. The 7 generations of sages who came after the Tanaim are called Amoraim, meaning speakers or explainers. A single one of these sages is called an Amora. The Amoraim explained the Mishnayot. Sometimes, when it looked like one Mishnah didn't fit with another Mishnah, they showed that the 2 Mishnayot are really the same. They also showed how the Mishnayot are based upon the written Torah, and they looked at the Mishnayot and the Braitot to see if they were the same or different. The discussions of the Amoraim continued for hundreds of years. The discussions are called sugyot. Each discussion is called a sugya. The whole collection of sugyot is called the Gmara, which means the teaching or the tradition in Aramaic. Like the Mishnah, the discussions of the Gmara were collected, arranged, and written. Unlike the Mishnah, which is in Hebrew, the Gmara is in Aramaic. The Mishnah and the Gmara, when together, are called the Talmud. This means the teaching in Hebrew. Usually, people call a book of the Talmud a Gmara, even though it has Mishnayot in it too. But the Mishnayot are short, while the Sugyot of the Gmara are much longer. Since a book of the Talmud is mostly full of Sugyot, it will usually be called a Gmara. Sometimes you might hear someone say, the Gmara says this, or the Gmara says that. This is usually a short way of saying, one of the Amoraim in the Gmara says this, or one of the Amoraim in the Gmara says that.